How to fix Shopee no available shipping option. If you're facing this issue again and again, in this video I have explained this problem and also gave a solution. So there could be so many reasons that you're not getting any shipping option available in your location. So the first reason that it could be because of a typhoon, and the second reason could be they might not have logistic facility in your area. So if you live in the countryside or not near to the city where they don't have any logistic facility, or the area which is where they are not able to deliver, this is a very important reason it could be. The solution is you have to change your payment option. Yes, you have to change your payment option. Also, you have to change your address. So make sure the changing address should be the last option, but try to change your payment option. So make sure you just do the cash on delivery or any net banking or any another payment method. The second thing is reduce quantity. Shopee restrict those kind of accounts who buy products at very large quantity. So it could be a very important reason. So make sure you just reduce the quantity. And third, try to ask your friend location and order to your friend or relative house. This could be the best reason if you leave any countryside location or where they can't deliver. So this is the only thing, and there could be also reason inside your phone. So I will just show you. Make sure you just follow this tutorial. You have to go to the settings of your phone, and once you go here, go to the apps, and here go to the apps management. Search for Shopee app. So this is Shopee here. I will come here, go to the storage, clear the cache and clear the data. After clearing the data, you have to re-log in, but before re-logging, go to the Play Store, download the latest version of Shopee app, restart your phone and log in once again. And if you're still not able to find the solution, then there is a last option, that is contact support. They will give you the exact reason that why they are not able to deliver the product in your location. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.